Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. Now in this video, we're going to be making a Flappy Bird style game on Scratch. As you can see, it's really fun to play, so let's get started. First, go ahead and create a new project, and then upload a sprite for player. It can be a square or anything. Then create obstacles, so it's just basically squares and rectangles, so make sure to follow this walkthrough here. So it's just basically a square on top of a square with an outline, and you duplicate it and flip the side. Now you're just gonna want to center everything to 0, 0. Then create a quick backdrop, and then let's create a variable called y and delete the other one. Now let's start coding. So first we want to set y to 0, and then we want to create this forever statement. And if we're touching the obstacles, like here, then or if we're touching the other sprite, or like if our position is really down, then we're gonna pretty much lose. So this is basically just stopping the script. So please follow along here. And we're gonna broadcast a message called dead. And go to a certain position, and we're also gonna hide. So make sure to follow this. And make sure we're just gonna do this quick effect where we fade away, so it looks quite good when the player plays the game. Next, we're going to go to a certain position and set y to 0, and get a forever loop and change y by -1 and change that by y, because we want our player to keep going down unless we press the space key. That code will be done later. Clean up the blocks and go into the obstacles section. Go to 2650, and forever we're going to wait about 2 seconds. And after that, we're just gonna keep creating clone of myself. Now when we start as clone, we're just gonna keep moving to the left. So it's gonna set y to a -90 to 90. So it's up or down, very close obstacles. And until it reaches the left end, it's gonna keep changing x by -5. And after, it's gonna delete this clone, so it deletes it and doesn't stay there. Now go to the backdrop section and quickly say when space key press, it jumps. So when we press on the space key, it keeps moving up. Go to the obstacles section, and when we receive dead, make sure to add this code. Delete the clone and hide. So make sure that your code is like this. I made a mistake earlier, so make sure that you copy this code. And as you can see, the game almost works, but we need a dead screen. So when I receive dead, we're gonna go into the backdrops and create a quick backdrop. Make sure it just says you lost or something like that. You can add your own art, but mine is pretty basic. Then say switch backdrop to 2, and when we click on the green flag, it's 1. Go ahead into the obstacles section and add some more code. So we're just gonna stop all the other scripts in the sprite and stop the script, and we're also gonna hide as well, so that the obstacles doesn't create any confusion. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. From now on, all my videos are gonna be super short tutorials, so you guys can finish your game quickly. See you guys next video.